Welcome to the tutorial of the St. Kilian's Dance Challenge 2021. We hope you enjoy and have loads and loads of fun.
Hi, welcome to part 1 of St. Kilian's Dance Challenge tutorial. In part 1, it's super easy. We're just going to take a big wide stance and we're going to bounce for 8 to the music. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we're going to take a big sunshine. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull the rope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've got our heel twists and we're going to keep those spongy knees. So heel out and in and 3 and then lift your knee. So let's put that all together. We're going to start with our spongy knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and sunshine. 2, 3, 4 and pull the rope. 2, 3, 4 and twist, twist, twist and knee lift. Now let's bring that up to tempo. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and sunshine. And pull the rope. Heel, 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 knee lift. Well done! Remember, you can put your own touch on the dance at the end. Looking forward to seeing the moves. Don't forget to submit your video before Friday the 5th of March and wear your green. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this next part of the dance follows up from where we had our knee up in the air. So the first thing we're going to do is stretch back up and put this leg down. Then we have 2 bends. Bend, stretch and bend. After the 2 bends, we will jump up twice. 1, 2. Let's take that from the start. So we have our knee up and stretch, bend, stretch, bend. But let's put some shoulder into those bends. Stretch, bend, stretch, bend, jump, jump. After our 2 jumps, we'll step forwards and back. So we take our right foot and we step forwards, take our left foot and we step, then we step back on the right, and then we'll step on the left. Let's take that all from the start. Knee up, stretch, bend, jump, jump, forwards and back and. Right, now let's bring that all up to tempo, but don't forget you have that knee up in the air. 5, 6, 7 and stretch, bend, jump, jump, forwards and back and.
Now we have a pivot turn. Step forward on the right, turn towards the back, and step forward on your left. Step forward on your right, and turn towards the front, and step forward on your left. Now we're going to try that a little bit faster. Step right, turn, step left, step right, turn, step left. Right, left, right, left. Now we've got the twists. To the right, 1, 2, 3, and to the left, 1, 2, 3. You can even change it up and go down low, 1, 2, 3, or up high, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to put it all together and bring it up to tempo. 5, 6, 7, and step, turn, twist, 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 twist. Yay!
Hallo Leute, wir hoffen, dass ihr euch an 1 oder 2 Abschnitten versucht. Oder für eine Herausforderung lernt doch alle 5 Videos. Alle Videos müssen bis Freitag, den 5. März eingereicht werden. Bitte stellt sicher, dass sie rechtzeitig erhalten. Viel Spaß bei Tanzen und wir können es kaum erwarten, eure Beiträge zu sehen.
Okay, so the next step is a grapevine, and it goes a bit like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to step to the right, cross behind with your left, step again to the right, and then you're going to heel with the left. Then the next step is a karate kick. So you're going to step with the left, double kick behind you with the right, 1, 2, step with the right again, and then heel with your left. Okay, so let's bring that up to tempo. 5, 6, 7, and step, cross, step, heel, step, kick, kick, step, heel. And the best bit is that you can do all 5 parts, or you can do one part, freestyle the rest, or just freestyle it all. But the only important part is that you have fun. And just send in the video clip.
Okay, so this is the final section of our tutorial video. We're going to start from the heel on the left. We're going to turn with our feet together. Then 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to step on the right foot. We're going to bring our fists up, hit them together, cross them over and turn them into fingers, and pull them back to fists again. So that bit was step on the right, bring our hands up to fists, hit them, cross them over into fingers, and pull them back into fists again. So, from the top, heel, step, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, fist, fingers, fists. Now let's put that all together and bring it up to tempo. 5, 6, 7, and step, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, step, shabam. Don't forget your freestyle moves at the end. Can't wait to see them!
So come on guys, get dancing and don't forget to freestyle that ending.
Dí díomh gachtainna. Chuir suas de videos. Is é an lá deireanach ná an cúgú lá de mí mórta. Ná daon darmid de AD glas. Agus buinteanamh agus sult as do rinca. Slán go fóin.
Let's go and bounce and 2 and 3 and 4 more and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Sunshine. 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull. 2, 3, 4. Heel, heel, heel. Knee lift, stretch and bend, jump, jump. Forwards and a back pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist 1, 2 and hold. Twist 1, 2 and hold. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3 and heel. Step, kick, kick. Back and heel, step. Turn 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, step forwards and shabam.